Okay, I'm going to show you the inside and the outside of a water heater. This is a gas water heater. I stripped off the outer metal part, which is that white right there. And then it has insulation all over it. Strip that off. Here's the inside of a gas water heater. Oh, that's it. That's the inside. Now this flue pipe right here goes all the way down, but I cut it off. Cut it out because I'm going to make something out of this. But that normally goes all the way down. Then you see this is the I don't know what that thing's called, but every one of them's got one in it. But that's it. So the gas water heater, that's where your burner is. So that gas kicks on and heats up. That heat goes through that flue. And so the water is heated evenly throughout the whole water heater, because you can imagine that heat going through that flue, and that water's all around that flue, all around it, so it heats up quick and evenly. That's it. That's the inside of a gas water heater. If you ever wondered what it looked like, that's what it looks like. Let's look at electric. I got a junkyard here of mostly water heaters. Let's get over there and see one. A half of an electric water heater. Let's see. Oh yeah, look at all those water heaters piled up on each other. Okay, that's an electric. That's the inside of an electric water heater. See that? This is where the cold water comes into the water heater. It goes down to the bottom of the water heater, so it comes in at the top, the cold water does, and it comes out here at the bottom of the water heater. But this is I don't know, it's some, I don't know what this thing is called. It like attracts minerals and stuff to make the water heater last longer. There's one of the elements for the water heater right here. It's one of the elements. This is what heats the water heater. There's two of them, but I got this thing cut in half, so you can't see the other one, but that's what heats it up. Right there, there's two of them. That's the top one, and there's a bottom one, a lower. So you got the top and then the lower element on the water heater. That's it. But the gas water heater has one of these too, where the cold water goes in. Got some water heaters stripped. That's it. Junkyard of water heaters. There's a gas one.